Ffion Price, Adran, Premier Genero, Player of the Season. Huge congratulations. I'll hand that over to you. Just how proud are you to win this award?
Lost for words, absolutely overjoyed with this. There's so many talented players in our league who could have got this, so yeah, speechless.
And you know, it's been an incredible season for Cardiff City. 2 cup finals, winners of the Welsh Cup. It's been quite the journey, hasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, from a personal point of view, couldn't have done it without the girls. They've been great. We've gelled really well as a team. We've been led by Ian, who's been phenomenal with us, and we've just gone from strength to strength this year.
Personal highlight this season, but I think I know the answer to this one.
Definitely winning the cup. I mean, coming here, I wanted to win some silverware, so that was definitely the icing on the cake.
In Cardiff City, you've got Player of the Season. You've also got Young Player of the Season with Lily Billingham. That's not bad going for one club, is it?
No, I mean, Lily's been fantastic. She's got a bright future ahead of her, and it's been an absolute delight to play alongside her and be a friend off the pitch as well. And she's got a great future ahead of her, and massive congratulations to Lily.
And next season, Ffion, I guess you guys are looking to go even bigger and better than this season.
Yeah, we set the foundations and the platform now for next year. We'll all be raring to go into pre-season and just build on what has been a fantastic season.
Well, Ffion, thanks for the chat. And honestly, huge congratulations, thoroughly deserved.